What happens if you eat yogurt every day? Health benefits of yogurt. If you enjoy the taste of yogurt, you'll be pleased to learn that it also offers numerous health benefits for your body. Yogurt is a type of fermented food created by blending milk with beneficial bacteria. Yogurt is a dairy product that has been consumed by humans for centuries. It is made by fermenting milk with a specific strain of bacteria that converts lactose, the natural sugar found in milk, into lactic acid. This process gives yogurt its distinct tangy flavor and creamy texture. In addition to being a delicious snack or ingredient in recipes, yogurt is also known for its many health benefits. Here are some of the key health benefits of yogurt. Better immunity. Incorporating yogurt into your daily diet can provide a significant boost to your immune system, which is especially beneficial if you tend to catch coughs and colds frequently. Consuming yogurt regularly can help promote overall health and reduce the frequency of illnesses. Calcium absorption. Consuming yogurt is a more effective way to increase your calcium intake compared to other dairy products. This is because yogurt contains enzymes that aid in the digestion of calcium, allowing your body to absorb more of it. In fact, studies suggest that you can absorb more calcium from yogurt than from milk, making it an excellent choice for meeting your daily calcium needs. Fewer yeast infections. Yogurt's beneficial bacteria can combat excessive yeast growth in your body, potentially reducing the frequency of yeast infections. Women who are susceptible to vaginal infections may find relief by consuming yogurt on a daily basis. Digestive regularity. Consuming yogurt supplies your body with beneficial bacteria that support regular digestion, potentially reducing the likelihood of both constipation and diarrhea. Food allergies. Studies have indicated that consuming yogurt containing beneficial bacteria may lower the risk of complications from food allergies. Incorporating yogurt into your diet may help prevent food allergy-related issues and could also aid in their treatment. Asthma prevention. Research suggests that consuming the beneficial bacteria present in yogurt can promote healthier lung tissue. In particular, it may stimulate the production of interleukin cells, which can reduce the risk of inflammation associated with asthma. Reducing inflammation. A significant number of health conditions that individuals encounter are linked to inflammation, such as diabetes, Crohn's disease, cancer, and chronic fatigue syndrome. Yogurt's probiotic bacteria can aid in reducing inflammation within the body, potentially lowering the risk of related illnesses or mitigating their effects. Additionally, inflammation is linked to weight gain, and consuming yogurt can assist in natural weight loss efforts. Yogurt is available in numerous varieties, including both dairy and non-dairy options. You may also observe differences between regular yogurt and Greek yogurt. Nevertheless, all of these yogurt varieties offer the same advantages as long as they contain live, beneficial bacterial cultures. Greek yogurt is essentially dairy yogurt that has undergone a straining process. If you experience difficulty digesting dairy, alternative options such as coconut milk yogurt or soy yogurt may be worth considering. Additionally, selecting organic products that are devoid of toxins is highly recommended. Overall, yogurt is a nutritious food that can provide a range of health benefits. Be sure to choose a plain, unsweetened yogurt that is low in added sugars for the most health benefits. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.